Hello everyone! Today, we're going to learn how to craft DIY bookmarks that are not only cute, but also practical. All you need are some ice cream sticks, marker colors, scale, and a design that you love. So, let's get started. Step 1. Choose your design. First, decide on a design for your bookmark. It can be anything from a favorite image, a quote, or even a collage of your favorite pictures. You can get creative and make it as simple or as complex as you want. Step 2. Draw the design. Using your chosen design as a guide, take an ice cream stick of any color and draw the design with black marker color. Step 3. Color the design. Color the design with any color of your choice, or you can use black color. Make sure to color it well so that it looks neat and appealing. If you need to make the design more neat, use black marker to make the boundary and also to smooth out the edges. Step 4. Add decorations if you want. To make your bookmark more beautiful and attractive, you can use any material, beads, glitter to decorate your bookmark. Step 5. Add a bookmark string, your choice. To make your bookmark even more useful, add a bookmark string. This can be done by cutting a piece of thick paper or fabric, towel, or even a ribbon and attaching it to the back of your bookmark with glue. That's it! You now have a beautifully crafted DIY bookmark that you can use to mark the pages of your favorite books. They make for a great gift or a thoughtful addition to your book collection. Happy crafting!